Gigabyte B760M Gaming Plus Wi-Fi DDR4 Review. Best Budget B760 Motherboard for Intel builds. Building an Intel gaming PC and want a motherboard that keeps the budget under control without sacrificing essential features. The Gigabyte B760M Gaming Plus Wi-Fi DDR4 could be a strong option, but is it right for your build? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. This is a micro ETX motherboard with Intel's B760 chipset and an LGI 1700 socket. It supports Intel 12th, 13th, and 14th generation core processors, making it suitable for a wide range of Intel gaming and productivity builds. For memory, you get 4 DDR4 slots supporting up to 128 GB, with XMP support for compatible high-speed memory kits. This is useful if you already own DDR4 RAM and want to avoid the additional cost of moving to DDR5. Storage is another strong point. The board provides 2 PCIe 4.0 M2 slots for fast NVMe SSDs, along with 4 SATA ports for additional storage. That gives you plenty of flexibility for a gaming PC. The motherboard also features a 4+1+1 phase digital VRM design with heatsinks and SmartFan 6 for fan and temperature management. It includes built-in Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, plus Gigabit Ethernet for wired networking. Connectivity is solid for a budget micro ATX board with HDMI, DisplayPort, USB ports, audio connections, and front USB-C support. QFlash Plus is another useful feature because it allows BIOS updates without requiring the CPU, RAM, or graphics card to be installed. There are some compromises. This is still a B760 budget motherboard, so it doesn't offer the premium connectivity and expansion options found on more expensive boards. Also, because this version uses DDR4, anyone building a completely new system should compare its value with newer DDR5 platforms. Overall, the Gigabyte B760M Gaming Plus Wi-Fi DDR4 is a good fit for budget-conscious Intel builders who want built-in Wi-Fi, 4 RAM slots, 2 M2 slots, and useful connectivity in a compact design. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your next PC component suggestion.